No, 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 no. We got to unravel this because this is not the business. If I look a little crazy, it's because I don't know what to do with this thing.
That phone, I'm on this shit.
Cuties, this is Chatty B here, and I'm coming to you with another wig review on this hair right here. I almost trashed it, y'all, but just stay tuned and see how this goes. If you're interested in this hair, stay tuned.
Honey.
Of course, y'all see I was trying to do something with this thing and it's just all over the place. So I would not wear this braided whatsoever. It doesn't look realistic whatsoever. I feel like ET or something over here. Like, I don't like these braided type of units. They never look realistic at all. And so it's a no-go for me. It is 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, and there is adjustable straps. It is just right on my head. It's fitting snug on my head. It does feel really heavy with the braids in. I don't prefer wigs like this. Like, it's not believable. It is like all these baby hairs is just the most. It's just like a lump right here and a lump up here, and the braided part is a no-go for me. So I'm going to take these braids down and see how I like them. Okay, so stay tuned. Listen, now we're talking. Now we are talking with this hair. Like, yes. Now we are talking. Now we can talk about this hair. Once I get this last braid out, we can talk about this hair. Because now it's my type of hair. This hair feels so good. I don't know why they would want to put this up in braids like that. I mean, I like the fact that they put it in the braids because it makes it crinkly like it is. But y'all, let me tell you what. I almost had to trash this wig, y'all. I almost had to trash it. I did not know what to do with this hair. Y'all, look at this hair. Like, why would they play tricks on me like that? Look at this hair. This hair is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's full. It is gorgeous. And they played me. They played me. I was about to trash this. I was about to go in on this hair until I took it out those braids. And baby, like, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. So, hey cuties, it's Chatty B and I'm coming to you with another wig review. This wig was sent to me by SoGoodBB.com as well, and we rocking and we rolling and we getting these videos out for you. It is the 360 lace double Dutch box braid wig, and it's a lace front, high heat up to 400 degrees, Remy fiber, baby hairs. It's a 360 DD lace H Dutch box by Zury Sis, and this is FS1B/30. You can wear it unbraided or you can wear it braided. Let's go ahead and get into the construction of the cap when it's unraveled. All right guys, so I already showed you how the construction of the cap looked with the actual braids in, and it just was not good for your girl. Like, I don't like it. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. But now that it's down, I think it's really pretty. The parting is really straight from the actual can you see? The parting is really straight from the actual part, the box braids being already done. The hair. Let me show you the stock card. Here is the stock card. You can either wear it braided, which I could not stand. You can wear it that way, or you can wear it this way. And of course, I prefer it this way. The waves from the braids are so pretty. The FS1B and 30, it's so pretty. This hair feels amazing. It is just right on my head. It's not too snug or anything. I do like the way that the cap is fitting. I don't really care too much for the baby hairs, but y'all know y'all can fix that how you like. I'm probably going to fix it and just kind of swoop it over in the middle and call it a day. But I wanted to show you those baby hairs were long, honey. And it's a lot of baby hairs that you can put down on this thing. But I prefer not to. I prefer to wear her down and this way. And she's so freaking pretty. She is. I have not plucked the part. I have not put any concealer on it. I had not put any heat on it as of yet. I literally just took the braids from out of the hair. So let's go ahead and take it back. Standing up, I am 5'4". This hair comes past my boobs, almost to my waist. And it's very thick and it's very full and I like it. Now, as you can see, she has a lot of personality once you take those braids out. I love how long and thick she is. It is shedding on me just a little bit, but not much whatsoever. It's not tangling up. It feels amazing. Even though it's a lot of hair, it's not consuming me. It's not heavy whatsoever. Like, this hair is very, very lightweight. It's very full. The color is bomb. Like, y'all, if y'all like big hair, this is the one that's going to surprise you. Like, she will surprise you because she's long, she's flowy, she feels good, the density is bomb. Like, I really like it. I don't like it with it braided up because it looked very wiggy, very fake. But once I took it out of the braids, I really do like this hair. Oh, we didn't do a roundabout. Here's the front. Here is the side. Here is the back and all of its fullness, child. Here is the side. And here is the front. If you like this hair, please let me know what you think about this hair down below. Because I feel like we just went from ratchet to badness. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Don't laugh at me and my reaction with the braids. It just was like, no, I don't really care for the braided units. You have to be very meticulous in the way that you construct braided hair. So I would say purchase this hair. Don't wear it in the braid style, but definitely unravel it and you are in for a surprise. She is a gem if you unravel this hair and take it out of the braids. What's your thought on this hair? Do you have this hair? If so, comment down below. Let me know how it treated you. If I inspired you to get this wig, please make sure that you tag me in an Instagram post so I can repost all your cuteness. If you're not following me yet on Instagram, it's at @thereal_ChatneyB. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video to let everybody know that we love wigs. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. We're almost there. As soon as we hit 3,000, I'm going to start a giveaway. Until next time, I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me, and that is just not fair. Pinky promise, I will do the same. Listen, you will go as far as you believe that you can go. Never allow anybody to interrupt that. Never allow anybody to put their fears and their insecurities on you. Shake that off. Stand up tall. Stick your chest out and go be great. Go be great. I love you guys. Bye.